Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I don't have really a game plan of what's going on. I know I want to use some shells, and I'm probably going to use black. Actually, you know what? You guys already probably know what's happening because of the fact that there's a thumbnail. So all I did on my nails was build out a little base, meaning just kind of changed my shape a little bit. And I took IBD gel and I did a nice slip layer, but I'm adding a little bit more to the middle because when you want to build out your nails, you're gonna wanna keep most of the bulk in the middle, including the items you're encapsulating if you are encapsulating. So I cut up some black and navy, or I guess, I don't know if this counts as navy, maybe cobalt blue, and some normal pearl. And we may end up with some stained glass nails. We may end up with a mess. I'm not quite sure. I don't think that is. Nope. You know what, let's add some glitter too. Honestly, just grabbed a whole bunch of glitter. I have no idea what I'm really in the mood for. I'm thinking this guy, which you can get this pretty much from anywhere these days. I'm gonna add some of that foil. But again, I don't know where I'm going, so, but we're going somewhere. This guy's like a hollow silver. This one's like a super dark kind of blue. To be honest, I kind of just like it like that. Like, I don't know if I want to encapsulate this. No, I mean like do anything to it. Like, I just like it like that. Kind of like random stuff. All right, so what I'm actually doing now is taking some of that glitter off because I actually liked the openings. I mean, I don't necessarily need everything to be open, but I did enjoy the sparse. Okay, so you can see we are super flat. Taking IBD clear and just applying I would say this is a nice hefty slip layer. This is a little bit bigger of a slip layer than I think I normally would have taken, but I really want to make sure that I'm getting in all of the different places for gel to go. Especially around this lighter one, it is a little bit up. Okay, grabbed a bigger bead, pushed it down, and with the IBD gel, you really do not want to fuss with this one a bunch because it will create bubbles. So I'd rather come in with more gel and file than fuss with trying to get this down the nail. Does that make sense? So like, we have our angle, but we are missing some at the bottom here. So instead of working that gel all the way down, I went ahead and just grab more. And that way we can keep our shape, and then when we go to file, we'll be able to get that nice shape again. Obviously this is not that same shape. All right, on to the next guy. Applying that IBD and keeping most of it in the middle, but I had a little bit too much on my brush. And apparently I touched something that was gold leafed. So I'm gonna see if I can get that off my brush. All right, I think I'm gonna do a full nail of whatever I was doing, which is I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't wanna fight anymore. Just turn around and leave me. The tear in my eye drops on the floor alongside my spear.
All right, so I'm not gonna encapsulate these right now. I'm gonna move on to the next couple nails and finish them up, and then I'm gonna encapsulate. I never pray to God anymore. I'd rather no one hurt me. Redemption I have waited. Now let's encapsulate. So what I'm gonna do, slip layer. Again, it's a little bit thicker. I just put my hand right through all this dust.
For you to come and drown all my sins. My knees are drenched in the blood I spilled just to get here. When I look around me, everything I had went up in
Alright, so I filed, shaped, and buffed. And literally, let's do the best part. Okay, ready? Right. Now, I decided literally to leave them. I'm not doing anything to them yet. If you look on Instagram, that story may change. However, at this current time, I don't feel like doing anything because I'm obsessed.
Everything I had went up in flames. My lonely way.
All right, I'm obsessed. I don't think I've had these type of fun nails in quite some time, so I'm super excited to have some glitter. You can see I left some spacing. Originally, I was kind of thinking maybe I would, you know, kind of outline it and then add some kind of like lines through it to almost kind of like block these kind of things out, but I'm glad I didn't because I like it just the way it is. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.